Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into e to the power of s over e to the power of y. So this one I will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have 2y dy. dv equal to e to the power of y dy. The integration of this one, we have v equal to e to the power of y. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have y squared e to the power of y minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 2, and later that we have the integration y e to the power of y dy. Next, we continue using integration by parts again. But this one that is about y. This one we have dy. So this one we have u multiplied by v. So we have y e to the power of y minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of y dy. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.